Hi, today I want to review this solar charger power bank. I like to have something like this to use in emergency situations, and this product has a great quality. It's strong, resistant, durable, it's dust-proof, shock-proof, and waterproof. It's portable and it has a great size, as you can see. The material it's really good, and it has these non-slip pads here that make this more stable in our hands. It has this hook here to hang in our bag. Here is the USB ports, 2 USB and 1 USB-C, and it has dual flashlight, as you can see. To turn on, just press here, a long press. This is really convenient to use at night, and it's really strong, as you can see. It works very well. Other thing, it has this professional calibrated compass that's perfect to use in emergency situations too. I like this product so much because it's perfect to have in my bag to use in different situations and occasions.